Okay, so let us continue. To draw an approximate ellipse, there is a given uh, major axis, line AB. So definitely there is no specific length. But of course, when you encountered it in a given figure, in projection drawing, there must be a given length. Now this time, you have to divide the line AB by bisecting it using your compass. You have to draw an arc upward and downward so that you can get the perpendicular line by connecting these two arc intersected, and okay, so let us darken it and mark it as C and D and mark it as point O. So in making of the approximate ellipse, so what we are going to do is to bisect, to draw a line towards line C and D. After you draw a line towards C and D, from this point, you have to draw an arc going down. So we start first with point O as your center and draw an arc going upward. After you draw an arc using this point C, draw another arc downward, baba. So you intersect with each other, that is point CE, and connecting point E. Using point E, we have to draw an arc here. Using point A, draw another arc here. So they created a point here. Mark it as F. And then, of course, we have to draw an arc from this point up to here using point this one, and then draw another arc here. So we can connect this point with point E as your center and then draw a line. And you will observe that intersection of this point to this line to begin with your next move. So you will observe that this bisector ran towards the line O and A and created a point that will become your foci 1. And the same, getting this point or foci 1 distance from point O and transfer it to the right portion, and you can get foci 2. Foci is the center for the ellipse. And then draw a imaginary line, or what we call that, the tangent line. And the same, getting this distance here towards here. So this is not the point. So draw another line to draw your tangent line. So using this foci 1, draw an arc on the left from this point, then draw an arc. So do not change anymore the radius of your compass. draw another arc on the right portion. Okay. So by using this point D as your center, adjust the compass towards this small arc and countercheck it on the right. Yan. Then connect it. Yan. The same point, using your point C, connect it here. Ayan. So that is already the result of your approximate ellipse. So what do you mean by approximate? Meaning nearest. Ano? So nearest meaning malapit na po sa katotohanan. Okay, so we come to the next activity or problem is to draw a parallelogram ellipse with a given side of a square. So since that you cannot see a square anymore here, so we will create a square. Since that is parallelogram, so ellipse reflects in a parallelogram to become a rhombus. So how to get it is to draw first the center part of this paper para medyo accurate po yon. Gawa naman tayo dito ng cross. So ibig sabihin ito yung pinakagitna niya. No? So from this point, we will create a parallelogram. So using your triangle 30 by 60, take note 30 by 60, using the 30 degrees side of the triangle, draw a line, a diagonal line. No? So this is the center part. Of course, you have to draw a horizontal line here. Ayan. That will create your parallelogram. So adjust natin yung side ng triangle, side ng angle dito. Kasi lalampas siya dito, no? So the same on the other side, adjust natin. Dito. Ibig sabihin hanggang dito lang yon. Hanggang dito lang siya. No? And then, using again your triangle, you have to draw again another side of your line from this point up to here. But take note, tingnan nyo ito, kailangan ito parallel. Pantay siya, no? Pantay ito. So, para maging accurate po yung drawing. So, you have to check it is parallel. Kung parallel na siya, then, you have to draw a line here. So, mapapansin nyo, nag-intersect siya dito. Likewise, you just connect this point up to here. Connect nyo na lang. So, therefore, that is already your parallelogram. Now, in a parallelogram method, we have to draw the tangent line. To draw a tangent line, using your triangle, in a positions of 60 degrees angle. Tingnan niyo yung triangle, ano? Naka 60 degrees siya. Galing siya dito. Papunta doon. No? Ibig sabihin, ito na yun. Yung foci 1 niya. And then, reverse the positions of your triangle. The same, in a 60 degrees. So, again, tiningnan ko dito yung side niya, no? Nakaparallel siya sa borderline. Then, I have to draw again another diagonal line intersecting this horizontal line, this major axis, so become point foci 2. So, the same, you have to draw a line from here up to the foci 2 towards another side and foci 1. So, yun. You already have your parallelogram with tangent lines. So using your compass, draw an arc from foci 1 with this small arc. No. Ayan. So, siya na po, dark na po siya, ano, dark. Siya na po ang pinakamaitim dyan sa figure. Ayan, gumagalaw. And then, using this point, adjust your compass then towards this arc. Check it. It's okay. Then, connect. Ulit-ulitin na lang para mag-dart. And then, the same. Galing dito. Papunta dyan. I-check nyo uli kung nagko-connect sila. Kung nagko-connect na. If not, adjust nyo yung compass. Okay, parang may problem pa. Adjust natin dito. Ayan. Then, draw an arc. Okay. So, we have already your parallelogram ellipse. So, the difference between the two, so mas grabe yung process niya dito kumpara dito sa parallelogram ellipse if you are going to compare the process. So, mostly, making of ellipse in isometric figure, ito po yung kadalasan ginagamit yung parallelogram ellipse rather than approximate ellipse. So that is for your plate number 9. Thank you.